So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to create upsell recommendations in Shopify. First, open your Shopify dashboard, then go to Analytics and export your product affinity or purchase companion and report as CSV file. Next, open Claude AI, click the paperclip icon, and upload that spreadsheet. Type this quick execution prompt, act as an e-commerce merchandising expert, analyze this purchase data, and create a data-driven upsell map. For our top 10 products, identify the absolute best complementary item to recommend as an add-on or bundle. Claude will instantly parse the data and map out the highest converting product pairings. Pro tip, to deploy these recommendations instantly without manual data entry, ask Claude to format the output for your upsell app. Type, format these recommendations into a 2-column markdown table. Using the headers, trigger product handle, and recommended product handle. Once Claude generates the table, copy and paste it directly into the bulk import tool, like Reconvert, Bundler, or Shopify's native search and discovery app, to take your automated upsells live immediately. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to create upsell recommendations in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.